Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I'm going to show you how I work the foundation single crochet in the middle of a row. So why would you want to do this? So that you could leave a hole in the middle of a row or around even for an arm, ears, depending on what you're making. There are times that you'll want to leave holes, maybe in a mitten for a thumb or fingers for gloves. I'm not even sure how that would work. So if you want to leave a hole and instead of making a chain, you want to do foundation single crochet, this is what I do. I chain one to start with. I've done my stitches as far as I need to. I've done my single crochets. I'm going to chain one. Then I'm going to work into the back loop of that chain that I just made. This chain one gives me somewhere to start. I'm going to skip 5 stitches. I already know that. So I'm going to make 5 stitches. I insert it into the back of that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 1. That's the chain of the foundation single crochet stitch. I'm going to yarn over and draw through 2. I'm going to go into both loops of that last chain that I made. It feels a little trickier on this first one than it does in a regular foundation single crochet. I'm not really sure why. All right, this is stitch number 2. 3, 4, 5. All right, counting. I put a stitch marker in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I started with 5 stitches. Here's my chain. After I get the first one made, if I have a long ways to go, like recently I had to do this for 68 stitches, I put a stitch marker in so I knew which one was stitch number 1, because over here I had, I don't know, another 60 or 70 stitches. I didn't want to have to count that. Sometimes it's not always easy to see the chain, especially if you have a variegated or speckly type yarn, you're not completely sure. All right, so I've done my 5. I'm going to skip 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to single crochet in the last 5. When you do that, be sure to not twist this piece. And if you have 60 some stitches, you could totally twist it. So be careful that you don't twist it, because you will have to pull it out to that point and rejoin it. Another place this would be helpful is in a car seat blanket. When you leave the hole that's off center, but in the middle of the blanket, it's off center this way. There's a hole there for the buckle to go through. So this would make a nice opening for a car seat blanket. So I'm going to do the first 5. All right, we've done the first 5. And then we're just going to go into the tops of these like the regular stitches. I'm going to count 5. This is 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we're at that chain. Skip the chain, ignore it, pretend it doesn't exist. Single in the last 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you just go on with the rest of the pattern as indicated. And this is what it looks like when you're finished. You There's a little bump there, but it's only slight. It doesn't matter anyway because you want the hole. And then there's the hole. And that is how I work the foundation single crochet in the middle of a row or a round. Thank you for watching. Happy making!